Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to set up the device usage in the Windows 11. So to do this operation, click on the search here, write the settings, click on it, then choose the personalization here from the left, scroll down and go to device usage. And from here you can choose the usage of your computer to compare the function of your usage. So in my case, I chose the entertainment mode. You can know it. You can choose the gaming if you wish, or development if you're some programmist. You can choose the family, or school, or business, or whatever you want. You can choose the many or disable of all. After restart your computer, you have a new function or and then the usage of the new option in the system. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!